Making sofa. Certainly. A sofa is a piece of furniture that can be a great addition to any living room or lounging area. Here are some steps you can follow to make your own sofa. Start by measuring the space where you want to put your sofa. This will give you an idea of how big your sofa should be. Choose the type of sofa you want to make. You can make a simple two-seater sofa or a more complex sectional sofa. Decide on the materials you want to use. You can use wood, metal, or even cardboard for the frame of your sofa. For the cushions, you can use foam, feathers, or any other material that is comfortable. Create a design for your sofa. Draw out the dimensions and shape of each piece of the sofa, including the arms, back, and cushions. Cut out the pieces of your sofa using a saw or other cutting tool. Sand down any rough edges to ensure a smooth finish. Assemble the frame of your sofa using screws or nails. Make sure the pieces are secure and sturdy. Add the cushions to your sofa. Cover them with fabric or leather to give your sofa a finished look. Great Gray Sofa is a modern, weather-resistant sofa made from powder-coated aluminum. It has a unique curved back and sleek low-profile design and comes with removable cushion covers. The sofa is 62.50 W x 32.50 H x 28.00 L in dimensions, and can seat one person. It is available for purchase between July 11th to 21st, 2023, with shipping options including premium delivery, free shipping, warehouse pickup, and nationwide shipping for orders over $1,500. To protect the furniture, customers are advised to use an outdoor cover when not in use and store it indoors during long periods of inclement weather.